Hello guys, welcome to my Microsoft Excel School Academy. This is the course for beginners and intermediate users. If you watched the previous lessons and if you like them, please click on like and subscribe button and hit the ring bell button to get the further notifications for the lessons that will come in future. The second option, or the second most time consuming portion, is the formatting, getting the formatting to look just right. Now, the first type of chart that we have meted here was a standard column 2D chart. Let's take a look at another very common type of chart inside of Excel. Let's take a look at a pie chart. Some charts are more capable or better suited for larger amounts of data, such as a column chart. Pie charts are better suited for a single axis of data, meaning a single row, such as a single bill, or a single column, such as a single month. So if I start out and I'm going to create a pie chart, I start out by selecting the same block of data. So I will select the data from B4 to F9. Okay, now I am going to go to Insert tab. After that you go to Chart Selection, and under the Chart Selection I will find the Pie Chart option. Here it is, and I will choose 2D Pie. 2D Pie. Okay, let's for example move it here and to resize this chart. Okay, that is okay. And but you see on the first glance what's different here on this chart. Well, my chart defaulted to the electricity bill, as you can see, and in the title of this pie chart. So it's defaulted to the electricity bill, the first row here, and so I got a single bill only. Now what if I want just January's data? I don't want to see single bill, I want to see the month and all of its bills. First select the chart and go to chart design option, and there is the option for switch row and column. Click on that, and now when you clicked on this option, now I am looking at the January 2021 and all of the bills within this month. Okay, I got a single month, but he gave me January, and it just gave me the first month in that series of dates. What if it's February that I want? Okay, first select the chart, then go to chart design, and this time I'm going to select the data option, and here you see our range. We don't want that range, so select whole range and delete that range, and I will grab bills for within this cell, for example from B4 to B9. I'm going to also hold down the Control key and select the February month. Okay, and then you can hit OK. So we got our bills for February 2021, and that is listed on our pie chart. If I just hover with my mouse, you see it shows me some data. When I hover over pie elements, it's going to give me a little screen tip, and I could see some specifications for that bills. For example, February 2021 point food value $450 and it is about 25%. Okay, and just so when we look at this, hovering is great, but that helps you zero with visual. Just looking at it and definitely doesn't help you when you print it. But I want those values to actually shows up on the chart. Okay, first of all, again select the chart and you go to chart design, and we have option add chart elements, and underneath data labels, and we will choose outside end. Okay, and our values, it gave me dollar amounts, which is great, but if I want percentages, click on one of those data, right click with mouse and go to format data labels. Inside of this window, it gives me several different options to pick from. So we will turn off value option and we will include or turn on the percentage option. You could keep both of them. So I will close my format label window, and our pie chart now present percentages. For example, you can grab your data points and pull them out. For example, like this, something to be prettier. And when you pull your data points like this, you got a little tail that follows along with it and creates a connection with this data point and with this part of pie chart, so it looks much more presentable. And that would be all for today's lesson. See you soon.